Hello everyone. Last time we learned how to spot a fake email, which we can still see here. Now we're going to look at a new email. We're going to send an email from our email account. So if you look here, we've clicked the blue new message button. We're currently typing in the to box where we want that to go. That's currently going to our Carroll Computing email address. Subject there can be whatever you like for the subject. Type your message in the box below the subject. Now there are options here to put in things like signatures and pictures and things like that, but we'll cover those in another video. As you can see, so the text of the message has gone through. Putting our name there, Trevor the email account, and then with two options to send it, you can either press on the blue send button towards the bottom. When we do that, we have the option to either send now or send later. We can also save a draft. You can insert a signature there, that's an option. Again, we'll cover that in a later video. And we can also press the send button here up at the top where the mouse cursor is. Now, sending that with an importance of high. That's an option if something is very important and you need someone to get attention straight away. Once we press that button, that email goes and it will go to the recipient and we'll be able to confirm that. Now to do that, we're going to look in our sent items. And there we are. There we are, everyone. Email has gone through. You can see that that's been sent to our recipient, and we'll cover everything else in another set of videos. Hope everyone's well. Have a good day.